This is Science, week 26, day 2. And you're going to start off by reading this text here. It's going to talk a little bit more about how light helps us to see. So you can either read it yourself or you can click on the button there that's going to allow you to have it read to you. So either way, but you can do it either way. Alrighty, the next page is a video to learn more about vision and light. It's really interesting. I think you'll find it quite fascinating. Be prepared. They are going to do a little dissection in there. It's fascinating, but just be prepared for that. A dissection is where they're going to cut some things open and look at them a little bit closer. The last thing that you're going to do is you're going to do an experiment, and it's pretty straightforward. You need 2 pieces of paper. And on one piece of paper, you're going to draw just a very simple drawing of an eye. And on the second piece of paper, all you're going to do is write the word retina in the corner of that paper. The next slide is a video explaining how to use this experiment so that you can, this is very simple, so you can see how light travels in the eye, through the eye. And then the last page is an experiment showing the experiment that Doug did with his friend Pat. But there is a big difference, and it will be interesting for you to see that. Watch that. Pay really close attention to what they are seeing when the light strikes their model of the pupil. All right, enjoy. It's been really great. This is such an interesting unit. I hope you've enjoyed it so far.